Okay, this bird broke his neck. I don't know what the fuck happened to him. You can get a little closer in there. Don't make noise. So as you guys could see, he broke
Holy
his
shit.
he broke his neck.
Exorcism.
Oh, his eyes red too. Look, he's dying, dude.
Yeah?
Yeah, look. Oh fuck, dude. I'm... Ugh. Look at that shit.
Come more closer.
I don't want to go too close, cause it might. Look at that shit's eyes, dude. It's red and white. Fuck. Oh fuck. I'm gonna go a little closer.
How come it's still alive though?
I don't fucking know. Oh damn. Oh no, wait. I could see his like pupil. But I don't know, it's weird. Holy fuck, dude. Don't scare him.
Doesn't run away.
Damn. Dude, he can't fly. His head is backwards. Come on, move it up. Move it up, buddy. He wants to fly, but he can't. This shit's weird. So this bird right here, we found. Oh fuck! We found with his neck broken. As you guys could tell right here, his whole head is backwards. Oh damn!
What happened?
Come on, move your head, boy. Move your head, boy. Look at that shit. That shit is backwards. That shit is backwards, guys. Oh fuck! Look at that shit. Ah damn! Don't scare it. Don't scare it.
It's not scary.
Oh fuck! Look at that shit bending.
It is?
Oh, I think he got his head back. Come on, buddy. Move your head, bro.
I think it's blurred right there.
Look at that shit, dude. Oh no, he went back.
Oh, what the fuck? You saw that? Dude, that's so like this.
I don't want to get too close, but huh? I know. I saw his neck. Get a closer shot in here. Oh fuck. See, as you guys could see, this bird has it. No, don't stop, dude. His neck is like broken or some shit like that. I'm not sure what the fuck happened to him, but his neck is broken. Come on, little bird, help him out. Help your mate. Ugh.